Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make FNF Chromatics. Chromatics are essentially a set of vocal samples, one for each musical note, that a character can sing. These are crucial for creating unique and dynamic vocal performances in your Friday Night Funkin' mods. We will cover the essential tools and steps to craft your custom vocal sets. Now, let's prepare your vocal samples. Begin by recording clean, dry vocals in a quiet environment, minimizing any background noise. It is crucial to maintain consistent volume and pitch throughout your recordings. Aim to record each individual note, perhaps holding it for 1 or 2 seconds, ensuring clarity. These precise recordings form the foundation of your chromatic scale. Next, we move to pitch correction and tuning. Import your recorded vocal samples into your digital audio workstation. Utilize a pitch correction plugin to precisely tune each individual note to its correct musical pitch. For a classic FNF sound, aim for a consistent, often slightly robotic vocal quality. This step ensures your chromatics are perfectly in key. Finally, it is time for exporting and implementation. Export each perfectly tuned chromatic note as a separate WAV file, ensuring high quality. Ensure you follow a clear and consistent naming convention, such as character note, WAV, for easy organization within your project. Once exported, integrate these files into your Friday Night Funkin' mods assets, ready for your character to sing their heart out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.